Hello, let's talk about truthy and falsy values in Python. Let me write that here. Alright, in this video, we will see about the concept of truthy and falsy values in Python. And also, we see how to determine a value is truthy or falsy by using a boolean. And bool is a built-in function, right? Which is like this. Well, let's see how we can do it here. So let's start the code. Let me test take a variable called number and let's assign it to 7. Alright, if I just wanted to just give just something like a variable here, and I will just print that here, which is number. So what do you think I will get as an output? I will get it as 7, because we are just saying that, if number when we have assigned, that means it is already assigned by something here, then it is true, like a boolean. It is saying that a boolean of number is true, so it prints the number 7 here. So let me write another code. This time I just wanted to give 0 here. So what do you think I'll get this time? See, there are some booleans which they will result it as a false. That means if it is false, it doesn't going to execute anything here below. All right, so this is not an expression, that's why it's not executing. The answer lies here in the concept of truthy and falsy values. All right, in Python, individual values can evaluate either true or false, like we have seen 7 and 0. The basic rules here are: values that evaluate to false are considered falsy, values that evaluate to true are considered truthy. Well, false value includes something like an empty list. Maybe I can just put here empty list, something like this, and empty tuples, empty dictionaries, empty set, empty strings, and something like a 0. So this doesn't give any value, like it always gives a false statements when we are assigning something here. All right, so this is how it works. And falsy values were the reason why there was no output in our initial example, like what we have seen here. When the value of number is 0, it won't appear in the output. So truthy value includes non-empty sequences or collections. So anything that presents in the list, suppose if I wanted to give here something, number is equal to, let me just put here 1 2 3. So it gives an output because it takes number as true. That's why we are saying that non-empty sequences or collections, like in tuple, it can be in dictionary, it can be in sets, whatever it is, it will take as true. So numeric values that are not 0 also will consider it as true. This is why value of a printed in our initial example, because it's a value of number, right? That was 7, that's why it is giving as truthy value. Well, built-in boolean function, you can check if a value is either truthy or false with a built-in boolean function, right? Suppose, let me just write here, let me just delete this boolean of some parameter, let me just, all right, maybe I just wanted to put here as a string. So If I put anything under boolean, it is going to give whether it is true or false. Or maybe I can just put here a number, it just gives true. If I just wanted to do, if I wanted to do nothing here, it will give me a false. If I wanted to put empty list or empty dictionary, it will give me a false. So you only need to pass the value of an argument here. That's it. Then it will just say whether it is true or false. You can put, you can keep and check any number here, maybe a negative numbers, a positive number, or let me just put here 0, it's false, or any kind of a list or empty dictionary, something you can check in different ways whether it is true or false. That's how it works. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Thank you.